Mushroom Peaks. We have to get one Mushroom Peaks. Come on. Come on. Oh, we're good.
I'm so
Here we go. Okay.
You pulled back every single time on the last lap. You would
Mm-hmm.
just get like 2 bullet bills and a star, overtake people on the last lap.
Mushroom Peaks, baby. Mushroom Flooded Peaks.
Oh,
Yes!
why do we have to play Mushroom Peak?
Because it can't be a Mario Kart video without Mushroom Peaks. Come on,
Can I
kid.
upload your video?
What?
Can I upload this?
I mean, I'm uploading. Green shall land on me. I almost made the shortcut part. This is going to be really bad respawn. Or not. That's alright. Alrighty then.
Why?
This is a good track for item rain. The OG.
Why is it free?
Because why not? I just got bombed. No. No! Stop it, game.
I got hit by a fib in midair.
Hot.
I got hit whilst in midair. I got hit by
It happened again. No. Game? Ooh, that was too close. And I can't see where I'm going. And I fell. Oh, we're not making it. I think you're gonna win at Mushroom Peaks. That's my guess.
Did you land?
What? I landed on the shock, by the way. I don't know how I just went through that fib, but okay, we take those.
I missed straight.
I've seen one build this entire game.
I feel like you're gonna win. It scares me. Oh, you're kidding me.
No. You missed the bill.
How did you catch up to me?
Bills. Are you joking me? The bill just dropped me off the map, boy.
I did.
Dude,
Wait, how
that bill is so mean. That's really not a nice bill right there.
Let me just-
Yeah, I'm not gonna win this. I almost got bombed.
No.
Come on, where's that bill? No, that's a banana, not a bill. Oh, I saw the bill. It was over there.
No.
GG's. Okay, that was the first race. We got a mushroom P. Okay, the GPs are 1-1 right now. Whoever wins this GP wins the entire session. Proves who's the better person at item rain between me and this kid. I already hit a green shell. Oh yeah, oh gee, this is a really good course for item rain.
I don't got it.
I got a bill.
Oh, of course you got it. And it doesn't show up.
I don't know how to do, oh, you got a bill, I see. I don't know how you do the shortcut, like right here or something. What? There we go.
Wait, you know how?
What?
I thought you found it.
I did, but I backed up. Hey, look down, a bill!
You just got another bit.
Yeah.
Dang. And you got.
Darn it, darn. Yeah, there you go. I missed like 3 bills. I couldn't get them. I
What
just
was that? What
low
was
jumped that.
I went so far.
I saw that.
That was such a stupid. Did I get a mushroom before that was it?
Most likely.
Stupid. Oh my god, I want to go.
Hey, look at that. Just a star. Oh, and another star.
When did you get so far?
I got like 5 stars.
Where are you getting all this?
I'm finding it on the ground. Where everything else is. You're bad. Nice shot. I got it, Bill.
Where are the... I mean... I know I get a good item.
What good item? No!
No! Give me it. Literally.
These bombs are pranking me hardcore.
How are you?
And that's race number 2 down. Oh, nah. You almost target shocked me. You were close.
This is so stupid. I hate this. I get so lucky.
There's 2 more races, kid, because I'm using the quacker. Come on.
It's like you get bullet bills. Early item. Really good item. Nope.
And when you look at that over here, it's a bill.
You got a. Why do you keep getting bucket bill?
Did you just say bucket bills?
A good item. Get away. Why are you making? What? Can you give me some
No! I failed the shortcut because I'm good.
single one big? What? This is such bad levels again. Making it lead to death.
That's great.
Give me some.
All nards.
And if, how are you so fucking?
No! I failed the shortcut. No! Stupid game.
I slipped through everything.
I've seen one build this entire game and I got it. Actually, I just saw a second one.
Single good item.
You almost target shocked me there. That was close.
Give me something. Literally. I didn't drift that way, stupid.
Now, for you people watching right
So
now,
stupid.
I just got fibbed.
I need to.
You're not losing by that much right now.
I haven't gotten a single item.
You're bad.
This is how you get. Literally every. Oh.
There's Mega Man.
I just want an item.
How about no? Darn
Just
it.
one.
These items are pranking me hardcore right now. I think there's something, but then they turn out being not something else.
No, you.
I just like canceled out that shot because I got hit by a red.
No, why are you still at?
I don't know. We're going with the quacker technique. Maybe that's
I
it.
literally was. How I want to catch.
Get a bill.
It's nothing to go.
Oh no! Darn, 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 darn. Come on. We gotta skedaddle fast.
Dude, create this fucking car. Give me it. Oh my god, the one bullet bills.
Oh crap.
Oh my god.
Like a wee one.
I just wanted a single item.
No.
I hate it.
Okay, all we have one
I
race.
literally needed one item.
If I win this next race, then I win 2 out of the 3 GPs.
Because there's no way I can win it for
Delfino Island. No. No. Baby Park, no.
I literally can't beat you.
You're gonna cheese me right here.
It's so luck based.
No repicks, by the way.
If I
For
can't
for
win,
you.
Yay. Yay.
You're good. Aw, darns.
Ooh. I can't do anything.
There's the bill.
You're literally just... Even with the map...
There's the bill.
How come I can't see you?
Don't know.
What are you on? How are you so fast? I literally can't catch you. I can't do anything. I can't catch up.
And there's the bill. Good game.
I can't do anything. I literally couldn't do shit.
We should just do the rest of them, just, Baby Park.
What?
See if you can
How are
win.
you so fast?
Okay, well, I won the 2 out of 3 GP, so that means I'm better than him. But we're gonna do one more just for fun. Well, anyways, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Ollie sucks. His item ring. Yeah, go do that. But yeah, so hope you guys all enjoyed it.
It's not fun.
It's really fun. Yeah, Ollie doesn't. Actually, I don't dream, so. Yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.